So good morning, hi everyone, colleagues. I'm pleased to present our research paper titled Effective Content Moderation Using Modern AI Tools. This work conducted by our team at Luz National Technical University focused on developing a web application that leverages artificial intelligence to enhance content moderation process. So today's presentation is structured as follows. We will begin by exploring the basic concepts and research methodology. Then we will move on to the design specification and the system requirements. Afterward, we'll jump into the web application design, system development, and testing results. Finally, we will conclude with our findings and recommendations for future work. The rapid growth of online platforms require robust content moderation to maintain safety and quality. Traditional methods have have proven insufficient. Hence, our aim was to develop a web application incorporating AI. This application is designed to automatically filter unwanted content and seamlessly adapt to changing user needs and conditions, enhancing both user experience and safety. Well, objectives and the research. The key objective of our research is integrating microservice content moderator and Google Perspective API into our application. And in this integration aims to improve user security and comfort by automatically detecting and blocking harmful content, to reduce the workload on human moderators, allowing them to focus on complex moderation tasks, and also optimize moderation processes and resources, leading to significant cost savings. The main results, significant achievement of our project is creation of a message verification mechanism. This mechanism involves developing a software module that sends the text messages to API like Google Perspective API and Microsoft Content Moderator for analysis. It assesses messages for toxicity, spam, and offensive content, optimizing the process of speed and accuracy. We developed interfaces using Django and its REST framework, allowing users to monitor moderation statuses and receive notifications. The system is designed to facilitate seamless data exchange between the server and user interface, ensuring optimal functionality. For administration and moderations, we developed separate interfaces, providing critical capabilities such as user blocking, message deletion, and setting moderation rules. Our online chat system design includes robust security features like SSL, TLS encryption. This ensures that data transmission security and user privacy, making the client application reliable and safe for everyday use. For the development environment, we choose Visual Studio Code, which supports cross-platform operations and offers advanced functionalities beyond traditional integrated development environments. It serves as robust tools for developing, editing, debugging application focused on cloud technologies. Let's go to the next slide. Well, our application utilize a comprehensive technology stack. You may see on the screen. So it's Python for backend logic, Django is a web framework for rapid development, then Bootstrap for responsive design, PostgreSQL as a database for robust data management, Docker and Docker Compose for containerization and ensuring easy deployment and provide the link to be ready to download from the shared repository. Then engines for efficient web serving, G-Unicorn as a connector between web server and user request, and Redis for real-time data handling as a caching mechanism, and Ubuntu in the cloud to guarantee scalability and reliability. Our backend development leverage Django, making use of its robust ORM for database interactions and migrations. We configured G-Unicorn to serve our application, facilitating efficient request handling and enhancing application performance. The message model is crucial for managing user communication with the chat. It stores detailed information about each message, such as the sender, receiver, content, and timestamp, which ensure efficient tracking and retrieval of data. Yeah, see here. Django channels, as you may see here on the screen, allow our application to handle real-time events, essential for responsive chat experience. We used Redis as a backend for channels, supporting scalable and fast message processing, even under high load conditions. As well, Redis plays a pivotal role in our architecture, acting as intermediate message store that ensure high availability and reliability. The routing with Django channels enable efficient WebSocket connections for real-time communication. So the consumer handlers WebSocket connection, processing messages asynchronously. As you may know, this non-blocking data processing framework is essential for maintaining high performance and responsiveness in our chat system. On our client side, JavaScript facilitates WebSocket connection for real-time interaction. This integration allows users to send the received message constantly, ensuring a smooth chat experience. Our test results demonstrate effective content moderation using Microsoft Content Moderator. The tools analyze text to identify and handle potential unwanted content, improving user safety and overall experience. Well, on the slide, you may see the number of actions and order of actions. So we execute to achieve our goals. So jump to Google. Perspective API employs machine learning to evaluate the likelihood of toxicity in text messages. This process ensures that content is properly assessed, maintaining platform integrity and so on. So, well, on the slide, you may see some quite minimalistic UI design of our application, login and sign up pages, and also the main chat page. Quite, as I mentioned, quite minimalistic, but quite enough for our purposes. Well, let's go to the next slide. It's Google Perspective API responses for real examples. So on the left side, you can see some good message. Yeah, just hello. Yeah, and the scoring, the begin, end of the line, and credibility and probability of scoring. Yeah, it means one means absolutely unacceptable. Yeah, and in this case the system responded, yeah, hello, it's good to pass. But on the right screen you may see some not so polite sentence, and we've got 0.92, yeah, which means it's unacceptable to pass this message. So we apply filtering based on this data. Let's go on the comparison slide. So our research clearly highlights the critical role of AI in content moderation. By integrating AI tools, we have substantially improved the speed of accuracy of content filtering, and the comparison showed that both Microsoft Content Moderator and Google Perspective API offer high processing speed and accuracy. They integrate well across platforms, providing scalable solution for large and small projects alike. So on the screen, you may notice that we've got some metrics divided by parameters, and by each parameter we identify the best way to apply these two technologies, like Microsoft Content Moderation and Google Perspective API. And I want to notice here that the result you see on the screen are based on numerous test cycles on the real data, and at the moment we are like finalizing the results in the form of summary tables and graphs, and the article will be updated with visualization of the results in the nearest future. Let's go to the conclusion. You may see it on the screen. So our research clearly highlight, the crucial and critical role of AI content moderation. By integrating AI tools, we have substantially improved the speed and accuracy of content filtering, paving the way of future advanced in this field. Future work will focus on refine these technologies, addressing emerging challenges and exploring new AI capabilities to enhance moderation process. Thank you for your attention, and I welcome any questions or discussions you might have regarding our research and findings.
Thank you, Konstantin. Thank you very much. Excellent. Any questions?
Okay, I have one question. Konstantin, what is your research main results?
The research main results provided here, but we are going, as I mentioned, we are going to expand our article, but by real numbers, tables, and graphs to show how we've got exact this result. You may notice here, yeah, that we provide the actual tasks which are best for one of the proposed technologies to detect unwanted content and so on. So for example, if you need the processing speed, so you may be sure that Google Perspective API is good for text, exactly. Yeah, for some scalability, let's say that Microsoft Content Moderation is good for large and small projects, and may work with different content like images, videos, and so on. And Google Perspective API is better for some text examples. So the result is to provide an application which can use all the AI capabilities to highlight how we can improve the management of the management of data moderation area using modern tools.
Thank you very much for your answer.
Other questions? Thank you very much, Konstantin. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.